Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run Steam games without admin privileges. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop. Once you've found it, right-click on the Steam icon to open a context menu. From the options that appear, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can adjust various settings for how Steam launches on your computer. In the Properties window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Compatibility tab to access the settings we need. This is where you can modify how Steam interacts with your Windows system and control whether it requires administrator rights to run. Now you'll see a checkbox next to Run this program as an administrator. Go ahead and uncheck this box. This is the key step that will allow Steam to run without needing admin permission every time you launch it. By disabling this option, you're removing the requirement for elevated privileges. After unchecking the box, click Apply first to save your changes, and then click OK to close the Properties window. Making this change actually provides several important benefits for your system. It limits potential damage if a game happens to have bugs or malware, since it won't have full system access. It also protects your Windows settings and important system folders from being accidentally modified. Additionally, running Steam without admin rights helps prevent common issues like Steam Cloud not syncing properly or the overlay not working correctly. Overall, it's safer for your PC and provides better compatibility with modern games that don't actually need admin privileges to run. Now that you've made this change, you need to restart Steam for it to take effect. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Show Hidden Icons. This will reveal any applications running in the background, including Steam. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam from the menu. This completely closes Steam and ensures your new settings will be applied when you relaunch it. After Steam has fully closed, go ahead and open Steam again from your desktop shortcut. The game should now start without asking for admin permission. You've successfully configured Steam to run without administrator rights, making your gaming experience more secure and preventing potential compatibility issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.